double tracking is concerned, I have written to the Honorable Prime Minister of India. I have written to the Honorable Minister for Environment. The people of Kortaling constituency, especially the affected villages, have written to the Honorable Chief Minister. They have submitted their memorandum to the Honorable Prime Minister, to the Environment Minister and to the Honorable Chief Minister. Because doubling will definitely turn the lives of the people whose houses are along the alignment into a misery. I mean, I think it is very, very essential for us to put ourselves into their shoes and see whether we would like to live under those conditions. Presently, the first track that is there is so clean, but I would like to ask this question, which is a very important question. Once we have BITS Pilani, which is a renowned college, okay? In the same line, how many Goan students are studying at this college? How many of the teaching staff are from the state of Goa? See, because when we give away land, we have to ensure that benefits come for the state and for the people of the state. So, I think we have to be cautious. We have to ensure whatever we do will accrue benefit for the state and for us. When we plan any project in the state of Goa, Goa is a dot-sized state, okay? And Goa does not have land to just gift away left, right and center, because we are not the last generation to live on this earth and in this state of Goa. We have to think of our future generations. Land is a scarce commodity of the state. So we have to be very, 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 very careful when we give land. Okay? The project is a very good project, IIT project. But do we have to give that much land? One. And does it have to be there? If we can shift it, for the benefit of the people who are pleading for so long, I think the government should do something. I firmly believe that ours is a government of the people, for the people, and by the people. And if we follow this principle, and if there are other alternatives, since people in our government are supreme, maybe we should, not maybe, we should hear the plea in the voices of the people and have the infrastructure shifted if possible.